Hi, I'm Anurag and I'm from Presto, a leading name in the field of personalized gifts. In this video guide, we are going to talk about sublimation. Customized and personalized products such as mugs, mobile covers, t-shirts, caps and photo products and trophies, they have all become very popular and profitable industry. Sublimation is an easy and cost-effective way at product personalization as a productive business. If you never heard of sublimation, I'm here to help you. The technical definition of sublimation is the change of a solid particle directly into a gas state. In the case of dye sublimation, Presto's specially designed sublimation ink from Inktech Korea turns from solid form of the digitally printed image to gas state when applied with heat and pressure from a heat press for a specified amount of time and temperature. This ink in gas state penetrates the pores of ceramic, metal, glass or any other polyester substrate that you are transferring onto. The substrate used for sublimation must have a polyester coating on them and have to be bought from a sublimation dealer. Once the ink has penetrated the surface, it will solidify within the substrate, giving you a permanent image that cannot be scratched or removed. This is very different to the other transfer technologies like UV printing or laser transfer, as in those cases, the ink does not penetrate the surface and can be scratched off, many times easily. This is because those inks do not have the ability to go into a gas state like the sublimation ink does. The technology for sublimation printing may sound complicated, but the actual process is very simple. In order to get started, you need the following items: a designated sublimation printer. We recommend Epson, sublimation paper of 95 GSM, Inktech sublimation ink, sublimation blanks, and a heat press appropriate with the sublimation blanks you are working with. First, let's talk about sublimation printers. A sublimation printer is essentially a standard inkjet printer. Rather than installing the standard inkjet ink cartridges into the printer, sublimation ink cartridges are installed inside it. Once the printer is utilized for sublimation, it can no longer be used for regular inkjet printing. We recommend sublimation printers to be printed at least thrice a week to keep the ink flowing and to prevent drying of the printhead. If you experience printer has dried up, however, then fix it with an easy quick printhead cleaning. Presto recommends Epson brand printers for your sublimation requirements. The model numbers, of course, can change as per the availability in the market. The next factor to consider is the print size that you would need your sublimation printer to print. We offer you solution to print A4, that is 8.27 into 11.69 inches, A3, that is 11.69 into 16.53 inches. If you are looking for a larger size, we also offer solutions up to 44 inches into 100 meters. Please inquire separately for more details on that. To determine the size of the sublimation printers, you want to consider the size of the sublimation blanks that you want to be transferring onto. In continuation, you need to consider the size of the heat press as well. If you want to do sublimation onto a mug, for an example, an A4 size printer is perfectly suitable for your application. However, if you are looking at also doing larger and more profitable products, then you would definitely need a A3 size printer. Now we talked about sublimation printer and ink solution. Let's talk about various sublimation blanks that are available to you. At Presto, we sell a wide variety of sublimation blanks. Sublimation blanks are available in ceramic, glass, fabrics, hardboards, metal, crystals, and so on. Sublimation blanks are essentially products that come with a polymer coating which allows the ink in the gaseous state to penetrate its surface, leaving an everlasting, permanent, glossy finish. Examples of sublimation blanks are mugs, mobile cases, plates, polyester t-shirts, caps, glasswares, hardboard, mouse pads, bags, etc. etc. Please refer the Presto product catalog or get in touch with your account manager for more details on our over 600 sublimation blanks. Now we will discuss about sublimation supplies. The first thing that you will need is sublimation paper. We carry DPS Hansol brand from Korea for sublimation paper. DPS Hansol sublimation paper is the world's largest selling desktop sublimation paper. It's high in quality and offers premium definition and color fidelity as well as high color transfer efficiency. Often, problems in prints on the substrate can be traced back onto the sublimation paper itself. Our 95 GSM paper is suitable for all substrates. Sublimation ink plays an equal, if not more important role in defining the quality of your prints as well as the life of your printhead. Trying to save on the ink usually results in higher long-term costs as the cheap inks clog the print head within a few months. Presto recommends InkTech Sublimation ink from Korea, as it's renowned the world over for its superior color reproduction and longer print head life. As a next, you will need the heat transfer tape. Heat transfer tape is a specially formulated tape applied to the product before heat transfer. The application of the tape ensures that the paper does not shift or move during the transfer process. This tape does not melt due to the heat and allows the paper to stay in place. Now I would like to show you actually how sublimation works. We will start with printing some mugs. Presto carries sublimation mugs of different colors and sizes. Here we have our economy standalone mug press. This one is our mug combo press and also the mug press included in our 5-in-1 combo presses. In the economy standalone mug press and the mug press included in 5-in-1 combo presses, you can print all our 11-ounce mugs like white mug, 3-tone mug and magic mug. To be able to print the other sizes, you just need to buy separate mug pad attachments like this one. We'll print 6 ounce, 14 ounce, 17 ounce and sipper bottle. If you have our mug combo press, you get all these mug attachments included as a package and are able to do these mug sizes from day one, and it's far more convenient to change the mug pads as well. So let's create our mug. First, you create an artwork using graphics softwares like Photoshop or a CorelDRAW. Next, print your image onto sublimation paper using sublimation printer. Make sure to mirror the image. Cut out the image and tape it onto your mug using a heat transfer tape. Set the temperature and time on your mug press. Place the mug in the mug press, close the lever and start the timer. Once the process is complete, you can remove the mug from the heat press and the paper from the mug. Here is your sublimation printed mug. The process is the same whether you use a flat press, cap press or label press. If you are printing on flat substrates like t-shirts, tiles, metal sheet, hardboard, fabric, etc., you would use a flat heat press. For caps, you would need the cap press. And for printing small size logos on t-shirts, shirts, etc., you would need a label press. Once you decide to buy a sublimation project from Presto, we will be happy to share our technical process video which includes step-by-step guide for sublimating all our products. I thank you for joining us today. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to remain updated on what's happening at Presto. And also visit our website sublimation.co.in regularly. In case of any concerns, please call our customer care number on 033 4070 3333 or 900 70 66 867. See you soon with another brand new Presto video.